Right. So, important information going on the floor, because I have to do this one-handed. Now, most people have got real equipment. If I can do it without breaking it. Oh, there we go. There it is. Hope it's right way around. Yes, it is. Oh, it's a bit full of dust. Right. There we are. Oh, it's coming on all together. Oh. Chrome OS. Right. I'll have to set it up to show you some features, won't I? I'll have to set it up. Yep. I'll have a look at the back before I do that. And the bottom. HP. So, use your Google account, which I'm going to have to put in, and then I'm going to have to delete it. Ask you, is it for entertainment? I don't know if it downloads different things, but so I'll put it for entertainment. Once you've put your password and your email and internet in, and oh no, we don't want that. Don't want any AI. No thanks. Get started. We're going to get going now. So then go onto the internet, and there you go, load straight away. It's like seconds. It's as fast as that Windows. Google Translate or whatever. eBay. Yeah, you can see it's really fast. You know, loading fast. What else have we got on here? We've got YouTube. I've got to download the interactive thingy, like interactive wallpaper, because you can store your bookmarks on it, which is good. Alright, new tab. ChatGTP. One-handed. I'm used to using a mouse. Yeah, so there you go. That's should we do a speed check? Speed. Oh, hang on, to get rid of that. Can we get rid of blank bit? Yeah. That's me. Speed test. Yeah, .net. That's it. Orca. Right. There we go. You can see how fast this is. Right. Oh, accept. Yes, I accept it. Come on. Show me how fast it is. Right, there we go. That's my speed. Should go over 200. I'm paying for more than that, but that's all I get. Well, actually, that's pretty good, actually. It's usually about 120, 110. Yeah, so that's it. It's got a good